Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD, CHF, US dollar, Swiss franc. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of USD, CHF, US dollar, Swiss franc in front of us right now. If you look at the chart here, then one thing is very clear to us that this is not a beautiful chart. Okay, this is not a simple chart because as we all know, it is easier to trade on a trending market, but this market is not trending. Overall, the chart may be in uptrend because yes, this is an uptrend market. But if we just observe the chart here, then we can clearly see that this chart is not simple. Market is going up, down, up, down. Okay, the chart looks very complex, or in simple words, the chart looks very messy here. Okay, and if we go to the forex sentiment meter also, you'll find the forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhajarika.com under forex 101 section. If you go to forex sentiment meter, then you can also see that 53% retail traders have taken short position and 46% retail traders have taken long position, which means that retail traders are also very much confused. They are also not sure whether the market will be going up or whether the market will be going down. As a result, you can see that they also are in a mess right now, and the chart is also very much in a mess here. So let's do the analysis and try to understand what should be a strategy for Monday. Now you can see that we have got two lines here. Okay, first of all, this is a support for the market. You can see that whenever market is coming down, it is taking support at this level. Therefore, this is a dynamic support for the market. If you do not have these lines in your platform, then I'll request you to draw this line so that you can do your own analysis, so that you can understand the market better. So this is a dynamic support for the market. On the other hand, we have this level which is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. I'm using the word dynamic because this is not a static or horizontal support or resistance. In horizontal support or resistance levels, we have a proper value. In dynamic support and resistance, we do not have any proper value. So in a scenario like this, you just need to connect these price levels and draw a line here. Okay, so this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market. On the other hand, this level is acting as a support for the market here. And as we all know, what we need to do, okay, we need to buy and support, sell at resistance. This is the basic theory of the market. But if we just look at the present condition of the market here, then you can see that right now market is trading in a very narrow range here. You can see that there is not much space to move here. Okay, whenever market is going up, it is facing resistance. Coming down, whenever market is coming down, it is getting the support and going up. Right now market is trading in a very narrow range here. Okay, therefore I'll just recommend not to trade in this zone. Just consider this as your no trading zone. As long as market is trading in between these two lines, please avoid trading. Do not buy because there is not much space here also. Okay, so do not buy or sell here. And if we just look at the present chart formation here, then we can see that this resembles to symmetrical triangle pattern. In symmetrical triangle pattern, okay, what we get is that we get lower highs. Okay, market made a high here, but whenever market is going up, it is failing to cross the previous high. Rather, market is forming lower highs here. And when market is coming down and going up, it is forming higher lows. So in symmetrical triangle pattern, we get lower highs and higher lows, and market just resembles like this. And generally symmetrical triangle pattern is considered as a bullish triangle pattern, which means that we get to see symmetrical triangle pattern in an uptrend market. Okay, therefore there is a good possibility that market will give you a breakout scenario by crossing this line. So if market crosses this line, then my dear friend, this will be a good buying opportunity here. And there is a good possibility that there may be a breakout towards the upside. Let me show you. This was the 4 hour chart. Now let's go back. Let's go to the weekly chart once. Okay, this is the weekly chart of USD CHF right now. Let me remove the drawings here. Okay, now you can see that previous week market has formed a green candle, and market just closed at the resistance. This level was acting as a resistance for the market, and somehow in the previous week market just closed at the resistance. And this week you can see that market has formed a doji. Doji generally means that there's a battle between the buyers and the sellers, and still market managed to close somehow at the level here. Therefore, considering the weekly chart, there is a possibility that market will be going up in the coming week, because you can see that for a last 2 weeks, this week and the previous week, market gave a fierce battle. There was a battle between the bulls and the bears, and somehow bulls or the buyers managed to sustain above the level. Therefore, there is a good possibility that market will be going up in the next week. And if we go to the dollar chart also, because dollar chart has a huge role to play in the USD CHF chart. If we go to the DXY chart, then we can clearly see that this market is an uptrend, and I have clearly explained in my earlier videos that US dollar is bullish right now and will remain bullish until and unless it reaches 93.35 to 93.40 level, and right now it is trading at 92.90 level. Okay, in case it comes down also, there is a good possibility that it will take support at this trend line and bounce back, because you can clearly see on the chart that it is taking support at the trend line and bouncing. Therefore, US dollar is bullish, and as we know, whenever US dollar goes up, USD CHF also goes up. So if US dollar is bullish, or if US dollar starts going up from here, then there's a good possibility that USD CHF will be also going up. That's why I'm saying that there is a good possibility that market will be going up, or there will be a breakout towards the upside. So you do not need to trade in the middle. This is your no trading zone. Okay, just keep in mind that this is your no trading zone. You do not need to trade in the middle. Just wait for the market to go up. In case you see that market has gone up with good amount of volume and all, you can go for a buy, because it is a symmetrical triangle pattern and it is a bullish triangle pattern. On the other hand, if market surprises you by crossing this support level, then my dear friend, do not short the market. I'll be coming down on Monday again and I'll tell you what you need to do. Do not short the market. Just wait for the market to cross this level only, the trend line which is acting as a resistance for the market. So just wait for the market to cross this level. That's it. Apart from this level, there is no other safe opportunity in the chart of USD CHF, and I have already clearly explained why market has a better opportunity or potential to give you a breakout towards the upside. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again.